Alright friends, we have another interesting one today. This is Aubrey by Rene of Paris from the Orchid collection. I have her in the color Ruby Chocolate. We will cover not just this style, but this color, and I will show it to you inside and outside. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Would love for you to join me there. I am partnering with name brand wigs to bring you this review. They sent me Aubrey so I could show her to all of you. She is definitely interesting and different. Before we move on though, I would love for you to like this video. Even if you don't love this wig, if you appreciate wig reviews, honest wig reviews, please help my channel out by hitting that thumbs up button. It really does help more than you could ever imagine. Name Brand Wigs is a wonderful online retailer. I can save you 30% off this and all Rene of Paris wigs. All the details are in the description box as well as a coupon code. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. This wig is a basic cap wig. Her price point is great. Right now, as I film this video, December 2024, her price ranges from $94 to $102. With 30% off, that's a really great price on a major name brand wig. This is made with heat-friendly synthetic fibers. She's very lightweight. She weighs 2.39 ounces. Barely feels like anything on my head, and she definitely has a lot of spiky layers. Now this piece does come in many different colors. So if Ruby Chocolate isn't your color, there are lots and lots of color options. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. It's so light, it barely feels like anything. We have open ear tabs with lots of hair sewn in. We have an extended nape and Velcro adjusters, and then the rest is open wefted. This piece actually doesn't have a ton of Permatease. It has a little bit. Right up here, I can feel a little bit of that Permatease. On a basic cap wig, it'd be really unusual to have no Permatease at all. And so this one does have a little bit. We don't have a lace front, and it does have a bit of a fringe. And I'll be honest, I've kind of struggled with what to do with this fringe. It kind of lays a little bit funny, and it's not laying like a full bang, although it could be. So one of the great benefits of this being made with heat-friendly synthetic fibers is you can take heat to it. So if you wanted to try to tame some of these extreme spiky layers, you can absolutely do that. You could use a hot comb. That's actually my favorite to use on a heat-friendly wig. I have a video showing how to cut bangs into a wig. I have a video showing how just lost my earring. I have a video showing how to pluck a part line. Not that you would do that on this, but in that video, I show you how to use a hot comb to kind of smooth out after you do that. I've also shown how to use a hot comb to get lift. So you could watch that video to just see how you use a hot comb, and then you could kind of tame it if you wanted to. You could spike it where you wanted to spike it, and tame it where you wanted to tame it. You could also use styling products on this. What I would recommend using on a short wig, if you wanted to kind of piece it out, and instead of it being kind of frizzy spiky, you could kind of piece it out a little bit more, Jon Renau Piece Out Cream. I think it's Piece Out Fiber Cream. It's a little expensive. I think it's like $24, but my tub is over 6 years old and I still have it. The tiniest bit goes such a long way, and there really is no substitute for working with short wigs. I've tried a lot of products. That is my go-to when it comes to short wigs and trying to kind of style and piece it out. Now, of course, what would a short wig review be if I didn't show a headband? Cloth-covered headbands are my absolute favorite because they're flexible and they work great on wigs. They don't squeeze my head. They just sit perfectly on a wig. You can get any color or style you want, and they're so great for short wigs because it can help you to change up the look. But also, if you look at this wig and you think, oh my gosh, that's so fun, I would love to try it, but you don't know if you'll like all the spiky layers, you could throw a headband on it and then let it spike where you want it to spike and smooth where you want it to smooth. So if you have never purchased a headband, I really think every wig wearer should have at least one or two. You just never know when you'll need it. To hide visible permatease, which this doesn't have because it's so spiky, or just to help you transition into wig wearing. I will link all my favorite headbands on Amazon. Certainly find them anywhere you'd like to find them, but it'll at least give you some ideas. Let's talk about fit. Rene of Paris has a real wide variety of cap types and fit. Some Rene of Paris wigs fit me small, and I think they run more average petite. Some Rene of Paris wigs fit me larger, and I think they run more average, true to average. This wig right here runs smaller. I really do think this is running smaller than average. Not super small, but I'm not getting a ton of extra cap up here. It's really fitting me very well over the crown of my head. Often I get a ton of extra cap because I have a rather average petite size head. I do not have this cinched in. Okay, with the wig grip on, I don't need to cinch it in. The beauty of wearing a wig grip, not only is that it secures your wig, but it can help if a wig is too big for you. Now, they can be challenging if a wig is tight on you, but if you're struggling with fit and it's on the too big side, then I definitely think a wig grip is worth trying. So I cinched it in a fair amount, and now it is fitting me better. So I would say this is not average petite, but it is running a little bit smaller than average. I have a pretty average petite head. It's still a little big on me without a wig grip on, but when I wear a wig grip, it's not going anywhere and it fits just fine. So I would say if you can wear closer to average, this is going to be good. But if you tend to like wigs a little bit larger than average, this is probably going to be pretty tight on you. Hopefully that helps. Fit is so hard to describe, but that's kind of what I'm sensing. All right, we have arrived at color Ruby Chocolate. What a great name for this color. This is absolutely a red. They're saying it's ruby red undertones mixed with chocolate brown. I'm not really seeing any chocolate brown in this one. It is very much a kind of an orangey red. It is really vibrant. Definitely more like an orangey red. In my opinion, it's not like fire engine red or in your face red. It's not really copper even to me. Gosh, it's just so unique. I don't know if I've ever seen a color like this. So unique. It is not, is it rooted? Gosh, it's so hard to tell. It almost seems like there is a shadow root on here. Very shadow, like super shadow root. It is not a long root at all. Barely rooted, if it is. Really fun. I will show this to you outside. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget about name brand wigs and the coupon code. See you soon. All right, friends. This is straight out of the box. I really don't know what she's going to end up looking like, but I'm running out of daylight. We have a winter storm warning for tomorrow, and I'm going to be gone the next day. And actually the next 4 days. So we'll see, but at least you're seeing what I got out of the box. Really beautiful color though. So fun. All right, there you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.